Hello, Sweathearts. Welcome to the in-studio tutorial for Toy by Netta. Netta was the 2018 song contest for Eurovision. The song's super fun, and it's also known as the chicken song, and you'll see why. Let's get started. We get this little step just to begin. Later in the song, it's going to turn. For now, we're just going to do it in place. We go step, together, It's easy as that. We're going to go right, left, pull, again, right, left, pull. So no matter which way the feet are going or the turn, it's always right arm, left arm, pull together. 1, 2, 3, pa, pa, pa. And we're just going to take that from the beginning of the song as it builds in with the music. Then we're going to go into our first verse. We're going to tap right foot, left foot, and we're going to take two to the side, right and right, to go left, right, side and side, right, left, side and side. Then we go right, left, pull. But this one we're going to take a little half turn. Right, left, pull to the back, step side again, right, left, pull to the front. So we're going to travel 2 times to the left, but we're just going to take it right arm, left arm, pull, half turn, right arm, left arm, finish the turn. If that's confusing for you, you can keep it right here with just right, left, pull, repeat, and pull, okay? Now, at the beginning verse, we have these little tap, tap, right, to side to side. We're gonna add some arms. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. It says, look at me, I'm a beautiful creature. I'm thinking like an underwater creature, like pa, pa. And then we take the side. You saw this already. Then left foot taps. So opposite arm comes up, ta, ta, dun, dun, dun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, stay front or turn. 1, 2, turn. So let's use that facing the front. We start here. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, da-dum, bum. Through the beginning. Verse 1, right foot taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, double right, left, 2, 3, 4, double left, right, 2, 3, 4, double right. First I'm going to show without the turn, right, left, pull, and right, left, pull. Now let's get ending with the turn. 1, 2, this is the third time through, ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, half. 1, 2, half. The next section is a little bit slower. The lyrics are, Wonder Woman, don't you ever forget, you're divine and he's about to regret. So we're gonna do little Wonder Woman arms here. We just pulled around and the left foot is popped. So we're gonna walk forward, left. We're gonna take that right arm. Wonder Woman, don't you ever forget. And we have little Wonder Woman arms. We reach out. You're divine and he's about to regret. And we're getting ready for some chicken action here. Then we go. 1, 2, as we work it back, 5, 6, 7, gets bigger and back to where we started from. You can take this around if you want, but you're gonna hear the music, bark, 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 like that. So, we go. Wonder Woman, don't you ever forget, you're divine and he's about to regret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and chorus. Let's do that facing the front. We did. Rum bum bum boom, rum bum bum boom. Walking forward. Wonder Woman, don't you ever forget. You're divine and he's about to regret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, time for the chorus. Single, single, double with a hop. We're gonna go single, single, double, single, single, double. We've seen this before. Now the arms are gonna go diagonal, diagonal, double, diagonal, 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 double, diagonal, 4 times. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we step out right foot. Right and left. Front and front. We lean. Right, pump, left, right, and left. That's the whole chorus. I'm going to show you nice and slow one time, and then up to tempo facing the front. So we go. We just sit our chickens back. We go single, single, double, single, single, double again. Single, single, double, single, single, double. Out, out, right foot forward, left foot forward, then right, pump, then left, right, and left, and then repeat one more time. Single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double. Up to tempo. 5, 6, 7, and 8. We go. 1, 2. I'm not your toy. Out, right, left, front, front. Bump, 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 bump. Repeats. Single, double. Single, double. Verse 2. Repeats from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the same. 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's a little change. I'm going to show it facing the front. We have a triple step. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Triple left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To go into this again. Arms are 1, 2, 3, cross, cross, cross. 1, 2, 3, cross, cross, cross. Single, single, double. Again, punch, punch. Quarter turn or face the front. Punch, punch, finish the turn. Wonder Woman. So on those, we go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's like 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat, repeat. Ta, ta, ta. Half turn or keep it front. Ta, ta, ta. Walking forward. So we have verse 1, chorus, verse 2, but we have that little change into the chorus the second time, and then we have a little breakdown where she hits the high note. What we're going to do is we're going to walk up, Wonder Woman. We're going to throw it to the mirror or to our boys, walk it back, and get ready for the chorus. 2 more times through, single, single, double. So I'm going to finish that facing the front. Second time chorus we went through, pa, pa, 4, ta, ta. Wonder Woman one more time. This one's a little change. We throw, we walk back around, we get ready, and we do the chorus. Single, single, double, single, single, double, pa, pa, pa. Here comes that side, side step. We go right, left, right, front, left, front. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Last time. Ta, 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 ta. It repeats. Side, side, front, front. Pump, 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 and. That's all the choreography for Toy by Netta. Let's dance it.